upgrading you to business class.
Hello. Hi. Yes, I'm talking to you. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Take a moment to subscribe. There is a red dialog box right here next to you. Click on it and join my family. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's continue the video. I am a blogger.
We are upgrading you to business class. Air Tanzania.
Tanzania is upgrading me to business class. That's the first impression I can say. I'm really happy for this and I get to access the lounge as well. Thank you so much.
Business class, Dubai.
Thank you so much for working.
Air Tanzania is upgrading me from economy class to business class. That's the first impression of my flight, and I had my boarding pass and now they're changing it to business class, and I also get to access the Twigalounge. That's the best thing I ever experienced, so definitely gonna enjoy this time. This is an inaugural flight, so I am traveling with Air Tanzania on my inaugural flight to Dubai. My first inaugural flight in my life. It's definitely going to be an amazing flight. So make sure to subscribe, like, and give this video a big thumbs up. I can't believe I've been upgraded to business class. First inaugural flight and being upgraded to business class. It's definitely, I'm a bit nervous right now, but here, this, heading to immigration, and then we'll talk with you once we're in the lounge. I'm interrupting again, but just reminding you guys not to forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me in Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. There's a new app called Thread. You can follow me there as well. The links or the usernames will appear on the screen. business class lounge, and let me show you my boarding pass, which is the upgraded business class pass. Let me show it to you. Here it is. See, this is a free upgrade from Air Tanzania. It's truly a courtesy. I'm never gonna forget this flight. And this is my private lounge here. I'm sitting alone. Everything is here. See, this is my bag. Okay, Sunday. So since I'm fasting, so they're giving this water here. Once I break my fast, then I'll go and eat something, and then when the boarding starts, we'll get into our first ever business class. This is my food for the picking of the fast. So I eat all these things right now. Like this all this is available at Twigalounge. As I enjoy my iftar meal here at the business class lounge Twiga. I'll see you once the boarding starts. Sorry for interrupting again and again. Just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red dialog box right here next to you and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share as well.
Air Tanzania flight TC 40429 is now ready for boarding. Assist airport passengers with children, infants, or your special assistance to board non-closed anytime from now through gate number C5. On behalf of Air Tanzania, we are in Dubai. Proceeding through gate number C5. Air Tanzania will continue boarding by TC 404 to Dubai. Kindly all passengers. Air Tanzania tunaendelea kukaribisha na SC4 ili Dubai. Tafadhali tunakukaribisha sasa kupitia mlango namba 6. Abiria wanaosafiri kwa biashara na wanachamatia wao wanakaribishwa wote kuanzia sasa kupitia mlango namba 6. Kwa niaba ya serikali ya Tanzania, tunasafiri wote safari njema. Air Tanzania will continue boarding by TC 404 to Dubai. Kindly all passengers proceed from gate number 6.
For C, the third row.
Good.